Do you know why the 10 o'clock flower is called the 10 o'clock flower? Because the flower usually blooms around 9 to 10 a.m. and closes in the afternoon, this name reflects the unique characteristics of this flower, when the flower only blooms for a short time in the morning. Purslane flowers come in a variety of colors, including orange, pink, white, and yellow. They grow close to the ground, forming dense clusters of flowers. They are native to South America and are now grown in many parts of the world. If you want to have pots of purslane flowers to make your balcony more lively, don't miss this video. I will use plastic pots shaped like fences to grow flowers. Cheap, effective, and beautiful. For flowers to grow evenly, you should choose branches that are plump, healthy, and free of pests. Use scissors to trim the leaves neatly before planting new plants. We often grow flower pots on the balcony near the house. Therefore, the choice of fertilizer and care must always put human safety and hygiene first. Therefore, when preparing the soil, I choose vermicompost, which is nutritious, highly antibacterial, environmentally friendly, and helps loosen the soil and mixes it with soil to grow flowers. To grow flowers on the balcony, we can choose many different types of pots depending on our preferences, because purslane flowers are easy to grow and bloom in a short time. I used about 20 centimeter long pieces of wire to create a frame for the climbing flowers as desired. From the steel wires, we thread them into the pot and weave them together to shape the flower to grow according to our purpose.
Two, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot.
Then we use floral wire to tie them together securely. And finally, I use 3 pieces of steel wire as long as the size of the pot to connect the short pieces of steel together to form a complete and sturdy shape. Great, we have a beautiful flower pot according to my design. Now I can plant flowers in it. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. I will plant each branch of purslane corresponding to the prepared steel wire. When planting, we just need to place the flower base about 2 to 3 centimeters from the ground. To help the flowers form from the start, we use specialized wire to bend the flowers to the shape of the pot and tie them together. After planting, we can neatly trim the flower heads to stimulate the plant to produce new shoots. In addition to providing nutrients for flowers, aloe vera also stimulates rooting and budding very well. Aloe vera also has the effect of repelling insects, so I often mix aloe vera with water to water the flowers after planting. Newly planted flowers are still weak and easily affected by the weather. Therefore, we should place the flower pot in a cool place with light sunlight to avoid affecting the growth of the flowers. Five days later, the flowers have bloomed and the buds have sprouted. At this point, I will use specialized scissors to prune the unnecessary branches of my climbing frame. We cut off all unnecessary branches to save nutrients for the tree, avoiding waste. The tree will not have to share nutrients with unnecessary branches. Clean care is still my preference, so I will mix aloe vera with clean water to water the flowers at this stage. After 10 days, the flowers have sprouted many buds and are ready to bloom. So, to give the flowers more branches and leaves, I still prune the unnecessary branches so that the branches have more opportunities to grow without causing the plant to lose nutrients. Hanoi beer not only provides nutrients for flowers, but also stimulates flower growth very well. Therefore, I often mix beer with water to water the plants. Growing purslane on the balcony is easy, isn't it? After just 20 days, I had a beautiful pot of colorful flowers.
Two, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot.